The beautiful Okanagan is what we call home. Right here, Go Eco Mechanical Ltd was founded in 2019. Fully family-owned and operated, Go Eco will walk the extra mile to provide you with the best results. No job is too big, nor too dirty. Whether new construction, simple repairs, or fancy custom requests, we at Go Eco make sure to find the best and most cost-friendly solution for your need. We show up equipped, experienced, fully certified and insured. As a Bryant dealer, partner of 40s BC and more, we make sure you get all applicable rebates so there's more left in your pocket. Our advertising strategy? Word of mouth through satisfied customers. Check out what people write about us. Check out our website. And let us check out and service your HVAC equipment so you can benefit from them the most. Need financing? Yeah, we offer that too. 0% worries, 100% results. What are you waiting for? Go better. Go efficient. Go Eco with Go Eco Mechanical Ltd.